Yeah, here we are scrambling after we rock to reassemble the buggy back into work mode.
Hello.
Yeah, we took the air down to 5 psi.
I got 7 in the front, 5 in the rear. We got Lily back here. Oh, once again, we're heading to Golden Spike. Got a disabled Land Cruiser. Apparently they laid it on its side and they said it doesn't run now. So we're hoping we go out there and pull the plug. It's just hydrolocked, blow the oil out, get them drive out. We are in the buggy, so we're going to go in through Rusty Nail and figure everything out.
All right, here we go.
On the gatekeeper obstacle of Rusty Nail. We're going to pull up here, switch into our good low range, start our stopwatch, see how fast we can do this trail. How long it takes us to do this trail. Not see how fast we can do it.
Ooh, all the levers are moving.
All the levers. Here we go.
Time starts now. That means the scale starts now? Like in Marcy World? This one here is the wall. Coming up on no left turn here. temporarily.
We're losing.
We're losing. They are faster than us.
The shortcut is not there.
Oh, here's our situation coming on. Right up here.
See what happened
fired up.
is it was on its side right here,
Yeah.
and we did this on that tree over there, and him with the Jeep. And
TJ
right at the Land Cruiser.
Oh,
Nice. There we go. There we go.
I'm never gonna hear the last of that.
Okay. Oh,
I was just messing around, and it slid right off there. You can see the slide,
Yeah.
and at that point, it was on its side.
Oh, wow.
So how much did you crank it and blow out? But I mean, like,
They did about 3 times. They cranked it.
About 3 cranks. You can
Okay.
crank it some more.
is we need to get as much out as we can.
Yeah.
So go ahead and crank her again. Yeah, she's still.
One more.
One more?
Yeah, go ahead. Keep going. Okay.
So we got some plugs. We got some wiping devices. Got it all happening.
Oh yeah, it's gonna smoke like crazy.
What do you think?
The way the cylinders are recessed in there, you can't get it to really blow all the oil out.
Just the center ones have oil.
Right, but I mean, we pull those out
It started.
and start it and let it just blow it out.
Yeah.
Stand back, Mike.
The rusty nail again.
It's gonna make a mess.
Plugs going back in.
Yeah, she's just got a lot of plugs fouled, so.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, yeah. She's alive.
It'll smoke for a ways, but once she cleans up, good to go.
You like that?
Yeah.
Hang on, little ram. Yeah, these are nice people. I liked them. So we got them running. Got some of nature's oil zorb on all the oil. And we are on our way out of here.
And we got a windshield on the buggy now.
Oh yeah, look, we have a windshield on the buggy. The in-cam footage This one's turning, this one's not. Yeah, it's only this tire and the driveline won't turn. There we go.
Yeah, at any moment it's straight in there. Right. Well, I guess it's time to re-gear it.
Yeah.
You gotta look at the positive.
All right.
It broke. Yes. Things happen. Poor Buggy's seen a lot of abuse. It wasn't hooked to a customer's rig
Right.
further into that trail.
In fact, we didn't even need, like, where we were at.
Yeah.
We were just cruised all the way back to the truck. Look at that.
Poor old girl.
poor
That's
bug.
all right.
Little tug bug.
He did another one. Little tugger did a good job. So here we are, loaded up on the trailer. Heading to the shop. Apparently we got to do a little work to the Buggy. And we got to do a little work to the CJ. And we got to do a work to a trailer. And a lot of stuff. Get ready for Trail Hero in 2 weeks. So yeah. Let's get to it. Plus we got to recover in the morning.
Oh yeah.
But, you know, here we are. Going and going and going. Thanks for watching. The windshield's cracking around it. And then all the glass will splinter into our face as we go.
Yeah, don't worry. We got safety spectacles. It's fine. Dude, look at
don't
these
forget
sweet
the-
shirts.
Model that shirt. Do the walk.
Do the walk, do the
Do the walk. Do the walk.
The walk.
I do my little turn on the
See?
catwalk.
Oh,
on
see,
the
he
catwalk.
Yeah, right on the catwalk.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
Don't act like you weren't around in the 90s.
Yeah.